Hello, welcome to Edumedia YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll take a look at the guarantor and witness section of the Ghana passport. I'll elaborate on who can or cannot be a guarantor as well as a witness to the passport application. The Ghana passport is one of the most important travel documents that has gone through different iterations since its introduction. The requirements have also changed over time. In the current passport application form, there's a portion for a guarantor and a witness. The witness is someone who will sign their name on your document in order to prove that things have been done correctly. The guarantor, on the other hand, is someone who formally accepts responsibility for you or for something that belongs to you. In the Ghana passport application, the requirements for the witness and the guarantors are clearly stated, and applicants applying for the passport are mandated to adhere to these requirements. According to the Ghana Passport Application Portal, you have to provide two guarantors. By their undertaking, the guarantors are deemed to have agreed jointly and severally to pay all expenses that may be incurred by the government on the applicant in the event of the applicant being repatriated or dying abroad. A guarantor must be a relative but not a parent. He or she cannot be a witness to this application. Your application will not be processed if you don't comply. Now, extract from this statement indicate that 1. Your guarantor cannot be a witness to this same application. 2. Your guarantor have agreed to take responsibility for you. And then 3. Also, your guarantor must be a relative but not a parent. It means that you can have people like your brothers, your sisters, your cousins, aunties, uncles, nephews, and any other extended family member standing in as your guarantor. It doesn't matter whether your guarantor is a public service or private service worker. It doesn't matter whether a guarantor is a person in position or someone in high rank or not. It doesn't matter the educational level. All you need to make sure you have is someone who have agreed to take responsibility for you, and that person must be a relative. Now, some of the information you need to provide about these guarantors are the full name, the occupation, residential address, postal address, telephone numbers, and then their emails. Ensure that you ask your guarantors for this information before starting your passport application. The witness, on the other hand, according to the passport application portal, says that the same person standing as your witness cannot be a witness and a guarantor to one application. Your application will not be processed if you don't comply. Your application should be witnessed by a person in one of the following categories to whom the applicant is personally known. You have a senior clergyman or woman, a commissioned officer of the armed forces, or persons of equivalent rank in the security services, a senior civil or public servant, that's principal executive officer and above, a registered medical practitioner, a solicitor or barrister, head of a recognized educational institution, or any other recognized professionals registered with their respective regulating bodies. What we can understand from this extract is that the witness cannot be the same person as the guarantor to this same application. Also, the applicant should be known to the witness. 3. The witness should fall in any of the specified categories. In these specified categories, we can have people such as the head of the school or the headmaster or headmistress, assembly member, member of parliament, head of directors of institutions at your district level, your district chief imams, the district head pastors, regional chief imams, and regional head pastors. These are all people who are qualified to stand in as your witness. The information you need to provide on these individuals include their full name, their occupation, their position, their business and personal telephone numbers, their business and residential addresses, one of their ID cards information, the date the ID card is issued, the type of the ID cards, the ID card number, and then the place where the ID card is issued. Even though you can proceed without the ID card details, I would recommend you try and ask your witness about it. If they feel uncomfortable giving you this information, you can still proceed without any issue with the passport off. Alright, this is all that I have for you in this video. I hope you like it. If you do, please hit the like button. Please share this video to anyone that will benefit from it. And if you are new to the channel, subscribe. I will really appreciate your subscription. Thank you and see you in our next video.